Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, we're gonna make a delicious salted honey whipped cream. I think you're gonna love it. Let's get to it. So before we get cooking, I want to talk to you about Patreon. You can actually support creators like me on Patreon. So there's a link in the show notes for you to subscribe. By subscribing, you make what I do, everything here, really possible. So it's really helpful. So if you have the funds, please check out the Patreon link in the show notes. It just takes like $1 a month to subscribe, and it helps people like me create videos like this for people like you. Okay, let's get to our salted honey whipped cream. So the thing about whipped cream is it's delicious, right? It's typically sweetened and then flavored with vanilla extract. This one is a little bit different. It has a nice little bit of bite to it from the salt, and the honey, instead of like regular sugar, just adds another layer of flavor when it comes to that sweetness. This is a delicious whipped cream that I made for some cheddar cornbread waffles, but you can put them on pancakes, sundaes, whatever. It's a lovely whipped cream. The first thing that you want to do is you want to start out with cold equipment. So the bowl that you're going to make it in, and also the beaters that you're going to use, put them in the fridge for an hour beforehand. So just go and add the whipping cream to your chilled bowl, and just starting with the hand mixer. I mean, you can just stand mixer if you're using that too, but I used a hand mixer. Start out on low, and then as that whipping cream starts to kind of get a little bit of a body to it, increase the speed, like up to medium high. And what you want to do is whip that cream till it's about like halfway done. As it starts to kind of get some body, it's a little sludgy. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop, and we're gonna add in the flavoring. So we're gonna add just a pinch of salt. We're add in our vanilla extract. We're gonna add in the honey, and then go back to whipping that whipped cream, now with a little bit of a higher speed. So kind of start out around medium and just slowly increase that speed to medium high until the whipping cream comes together. So just continue whipping the whipping cream with the flavors inside on medium high. You wanna whip it until you kind of get medium peaks. So medium peaks are gonna be where there's a peak, but it still kind of softens, right? So you want the whipped cream to have a little bit of firmness to it, but not so whipped that it's actually firm and like buttery. So whipped cream will actually hold for a few days in the fridge if you put it in an airtight container. So if you're gonna be making these waffles and you're gonna be making, breakfast some morning, you can easily make the whipped cream ahead of time. As I always recommend, you wanna use pure vanilla extract. The reason for that is, well, one, it tastes amazing. Also, pure vanilla extract will last indefinitely. So compared to the imitation stuff, which only lasts about 5 years. And when it comes to honey, okay, you might have honey on hand and it might have crystallized. You might wonder, is that bad? It's not. Honey doesn't really spoil. Like there's literally honey that's like 3,000 years old or even older. So honey doesn't spoil. That crystallization is fine. You just want to warm it up so it kind of remelts, but it's still good and safe to eat. So how delicious does that salted honey whipped cream look, right? It's so tasty, and I think you're gonna love it. Check out the waffles that I put it on. I mentioned it's those cheddar cornbread waffles. Once again, you can support creators like me. Go to the show notes, look for the Patreon link. It really helps me out a lot. It helps me create content for people like you, and I really appreciate it. If there's something that you wanna see, drop a comment down below. If you like this recipe, hey, give me 2 thumbs up. And if you'd like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe.